How to configure YuJa Verity. In this video we will demonstrate 1. How to activate YuJa Verity, and 2. How to configure YuJa Verity for a quiz. Let's start from the course page. First, we need to open the YuJa Verity activity. This should be found in the first section of the course page or can be quickly searched for in the course index. Once it has loaded, you will be on the YuJa Verity portal's setup page. This is where we will activate YuJa Verity before configuring quizzes. The first step is a compatibility check to ensure you are using a supported browser for Verity, and we strongly recommend Google Chrome. The second step is to download the Verity extension. Click on the Download Extension button. This will take us to a new tab for the YuJa Verity extension on the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once the extension installation is complete, close this tab. How to configure YuJa Verity for a quiz. Now that we've activated YuJa Verity, we need to enable the YuJa Verity test proctoring platform for our quiz. First, locate the quiz you want to enable the proctoring platform for on the course index. Then, click on the selected quiz assessment. Now that we are on the quizzes page, locate the settings option and click on it. After the settings page has loaded, scroll down and locate the YuJa Verity test proctoring platform. When you have located the setting, click on it, and enable the checkbox underneath the heading. Next, click on Configure Settings. The Setup Proctoring pop-up window will open where we complete the 5-step setup. Let's begin with the first step, the method. Here we select whether test takers are automatically monitored or live with an assigned proctor. We will select Automated Proctoring. Click Next. Second is the platform. Here we decide whether the test taker will attempt the quiz in their browser with the YuJa Verity extension or download and use the Verity Lockdown app. We recommend using the extension. To expedite this process, we have created profiles that can be selected to fill in the remaining options. You can find these by clicking the Click Here link in the statement below the platform options. In the Select Profile pop-up window, select the profile. We will choose Maximum Security and click Select. Click the Next button to move on to the third step, Configuration. This is set based on the profile you selected. If you choose to keep all the default options, you can click the Next button 8 more times, then Confirm, and save the quiz settings or review the options set, which we will do now. For the first configuration, Record. The options to record the test taker's video, audio, and screen, including the required 360 room scan, have been enabled. Second is ID verification, which will remain as default, disabled. Third is tabs, where the option to have the test taker close all tabs, excluding the quiz, and disallow opening new tabs have both been enabled. Fourth is disable features, with the options to disable the clipboard, printing, and right-clicking enabled. Fifth is other activities, with the options to have the test taker use one screen and record their web traffic enabled. Sixth is show tools, which are disabled by default and will be enabled at the discretion of the lecturer per assessment. Click Next. The fourth step, Exemption, is where you select test takers who will not be required to use Verity or select a different profile to apply to them. To do this, click on the plus icon to the right of the student's name. That will add them to the exemption list. Under the exemption list, click on the 3 horizontal dots for a student and select Apply Profile. This will open a pop-up window to choose the profile, choose and click Select. The new profile is now applied. Click Next. Finally, the fifth step is Confirmation, which will give an overview of the YuJa Verity options we selected. If we aren't happy with any step, we can click the Edit button to return to that page and make the changes. If we are satisfied with the setup, click Confirm. The proctoring settings have now been applied to the assessment. Save the assessment and return to the course page or to the quiz page. Now that we've come to the end of the video, you can now 1. Activate YuJa Verity, and 2. Configure YuJa Verity for a quiz.